Check this out, party people. There's the moon. There is the moon. I'm on my 6th floor. Thought I'd look out my digital blue sky window and I see this bad Larry hanging out up here. Check this out. That's pretty crazy. Oh, look. Perfect. There's some birds. And there's a jet right here. Nice. Beautiful. This bad Larry. That's freaking phenomenal, dude. I just came out. Oh, we're right by the moon. Nice. Nice. Yeah, digital blue skies, even over in Kentucky. Look. Digital blue skies. Digital blue skies everywhere. And we got the moon over here. Look at this bad Larry.